In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC runtime error related to Microsoft Visual C++. This is a very common problem that can cause VLC Media Player to crash on startup, show a Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error message, or close unexpectedly when playing videos. The good news is that this issue is usually easy to fix with a few simple settings changes and repairs, and I'll walk you through each step clearly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick and easy software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with one of the most common causes of this error, which is hardware acceleration. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. At the top, click on Tools, then select Preferences. By default, you'll be in the Simple Preferences view. Click on Input and Codecs. Near the top of this page, you'll see an option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Click the drop-down and set it to Disable. Once that's done, click Save and fully close VLC. Reopen it and test a video to see if the runtime error is gone. For many users, this step alone completely fixes the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing we'll do is change the video output module. Open VLC again, go to Tools, then Preferences. This time, look at the bottom left corner and show settings from Simple to All. Once advanced settings are enabled, scroll down and click on Video. Then click on Output Modules. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down for video output. Try selecting DirectX first, then click Save and restart VLC. If the error still appears, repeat these steps and try OpenGL and then GDI if needed. Make sure to test one option at a time so you know which one works best for your system. Now let's move on to another major cause of this issue, which is corrupted or missing Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. VLC depends on these files to run correctly. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download. Go to the official Microsoft website. From there, download and install the latest supported versions, including both x86 and x64 if you're on a 64-bit system. If they're already installed, choose the repair option instead of uninstalling. Once the repair or reinstall process is complete, restart your computer and test VLC again. If the error still isn't fixed, resetting VLC settings is the next step. Open VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom of the window, click Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset, then close VLC completely and reopen it. This will return VLC to its default configuration and remove any conflicting settings that may be causing the runtime error. Finally, if none of the previous steps worked, the last and most reliable solution is a clean reinstall of VLC. First, uninstall VLC from your system using Windows apps or programs and features. After uninstalling, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, and delete the VLC folder if it exists. Then restart your computer. Download the latest version of VLC Media Player from the official Videoland website and install it fresh. Open VLC and test your videos. In most cases, this completely resolves the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error. And that's it. You've now learned several proven ways to fix the VLC runtime error related to Microsoft Visual C++. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might be dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.